What's up mga ka-Yellow Box Studio? O ayan ako, ang tagal nating hindi nakapag-mini vlog. So eto, pakita namin sa inyo yung nakaraan naming shoot with Baby Toby. So he is from Orion. Dinala sila ng kanilang mami, kanyang mami na si Mami Josel. At according to her, ayan si Talia, yung ate niya, na-shoot na din namin before dito sa studio. So they are familiar with the services. Our services, ayan, baby shoot, kiddie portraits, any theme na meron kayo in mind. Let's bring it to life. Ito nga pala ang Yegos family. According to them also, si Daddy for now ay nakabakasyon from California. And nakakatuwa dahil they had chosen Yellow Box Studio for their very first family picture together. Ayan ang ganda ng mga picture. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo kapag meron baby sa bahay nyo, kiddies? Dito lang sa Yellow Box Studio dahil minsan lang sila bata. Bye!